The Ima temple is a temple to Chinese sea goddess Mazu located in Macau. Built in 1488, the temple is one of the oldest in Macau. This temple was built during the Ming dynasty, and the population of Macau consists mainly of fishermen who worshipped the female deity, Ima.
請左入右出，清香一支，人人有香想。請左入右出，清香一支，人人有香想。右出。
Macau daytime and nighttime is different. Nighttime the light also very shiny. Yeah, because just Chinese New Year.
Hi guys, आज हम जा रहे हैं मकाऊ टावर. Macau Tower is a very tall tower in Macau. It is one of the main tourist attractions. People can go to the top to see the beautiful view of the city. Some people also do exciting activities like bungee jumping. It is a fun and amazing place to visit. Hi guys, आज हम जा रहे हैं Woodland Restaurant in Macau. I had a great experience at Hollywood restaurant in Macau. The hospitality was excellent with friendly and helpful staff. The ambience was calm, clean and well decorated. The food was very tasty and fresh with good variety. It is also one of the best places to enjoy Indian food in Macau. Overall, it's a nice place to enjoy a good meal. हाय गाइस, आज हम विजिट करने लगे हैं द मर्सी स्टैचू. द मर्सी स्टैचू is the tallest statue of the Buddhist Goddess of Mercy in Macau. It's about 20 meters high and stands on a lotus-shaped base on a small island connected by the short bridge. It was designed by a Portuguese artist. See guys, Thaiba Island.